In today's video, I will tell you how to get soul symbols in ideal heroes and why they are super valuable. First of all, what are soul symbols exactly? Soul symbols are special items used to regress or replace heroes, letting you recover resources and rebuild your team smarter. First method is through events. The main way to get soul symbols is through special events. Events like heroic summon or anniversary events often give them as rewards. Second method is through packages. You can also get them from paid packages in the shop. This is the fastest way but not necessary if you're free to play. The third method is through campaign and rewards. Sometimes soul symbols appear in events, reward tracks or milestone rewards, so always check what's available. The fourth method is through special exchanges. Occasionally, there are exchange events where you can trade items or currencies for soul symbols. You can use this method as soul symbols are extremely valuable to get. A pro tip is to not use soul symbols randomly and to save them for fixing major mistakes or rebuilding your main heroes. And that's how you get soul symbols in ideal heroes. Farm them efficiently in order to build a stronger team and to dominate the game. Follow for more ideal heroes tips and guides.